Hello everyone. In last video tutorial, I told you about the code that has to be uploaded on your Arduino board to communicate with LabVIEW. Okay, so here's the file. You have to download this file, and you can also get this file from our website. Okay, just open this file and you'll find a folder, and you get three files in this folder. Okay, first of all, check this folder. Okay, so here is the folder. Alright, you will get three files. Okay, so just copy this folder and paste into your Arduino subfolder examples here. Alright, I have already pasted here. Okay, go back to your previous window now. Here you will find Arduino.exe file. Double click on it. Okay, alright, now click on file and go to examples. Here you'll find the file LVI please. Alright, okay, now connect your Arduino board, find your COM port, now upload your program in Arduino board. Okay, when the uploading is done, then it means your Arduino will get ready to communicate with LabVIEW. Okay, so here is my sketch is still compiling. Okay, now my program has been uploaded. Now it's ready to communicate with my LabVIEW. Alright.